Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to use a really fun tool. If you've ever had to host a raffle, I promise you it's not always easy to draw names, write them all down, stick them in a hat, and draw it yourself. I promise you it can be a lot easier than that. And so Craftify AI has made a free tool for you to use. First of all, you'll start off by going to craftify.ai/tools. And then you'll see here Raffle Generator. So, to create your own raffle generator, there's just a few things that you need to enter. First of all, you're going to add some participants. Every single one, you can either space it by each line or add a comma. So, I'm just going to add a few names here. All right, the last two are the names of my cats. Okay, so I'm going to add these participants here. You'll see that it's added 6 participants and you can see them here. So, if you need to edit or take any away, you can do so by clicking the X. Okay. Then you have the raffle settings. How many seconds do you want for the dramatic countdown? You can add that here. And then you can start with your prize information. So the first prize winner, whatever they're going to be winning, whatever that is, you can add it here. Same thing for second prize and for third prize. And if you just want one prize, then you can delete these and it will only run one. Okay. So next, you could either start the raffle now and do it in private, or you could also enter presentation mode. Let's enter presentation mode so we can see it. This way, if you want to live stream your raffle, it can be done really easily and you can just watch it happen here. So let's start raffle. It's going to go through all of those numbers and randomly choose the one for first prize. All right. So since I left in the information for second and third, it will also go through all of those, excluding those who have already won, and find the second prize. And then here's the third one, just to show you how it all goes. All right, there you go. And that's how easy it is to run this raffle. So if you would like to run a raffle and make it a lot easier on yourself, you can easily do it digitally in just a few minutes, just a few clicks with Craftify AI.